What's going on, YouTube? So today we have the 89 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's the tukis truck. This is one of our clients, one of the friends. Because of him, I purchased my Toyota 4Runner. Anyway, that's another story. So this is what we're doing today. We're mainly almost done. Body work. They painted it for him. What we're doing today, we're installing the Mishimoto radiator. So that's the bad boy. Everything is gonna bolt in. Even this bad boy is gonna bolt in almost in the same position as the original, which is down there. Boom. The bottom bracket fits. Oh, I forgot my flashlight. The other bottom one fits. Those they bolt in. The only one is gonna be this one right here. The hole on the frame, on the radiator core, it's gonna be a little bit off, but I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna ditch that one there. I'm gonna drill a hole through here, and I'm gonna use a 10mm instead. Same in here. Use the same hole that is in there and drill a hole into the radiator support. So that way it's gonna be nice and tight in there, and same on the other way. One thing you're gonna find different is gonna be the oil cooler outlets or nipples. This one right here, the one that has the bend, is gonna be next to the lower radiator hose. And now this one, on the old radiator, the hole goes all the way through, so you'll be able to use the whole thread. On this one, the problem is that you won't be able to go all the way down. It's only gonna go like half of this. So this one already comes with a crush washer for the original radiator. So what I did on the other one, I removed this one, I added a copper one, and I'm using the thread sealant PTFE, which is Teflon. Instead of Teflon tape, is liquid, and when it dries, it will prevent any leak. So I have this other nipple in there already, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this one, because the original lines, I want to keep the original lines. This is how they are down there. That's how they are. So try to see measurements, see if we're gonna ditch the fan clutch. Maybe I'll go with the electrical dual fan clutch, the dual electric fan. If not, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get high performance fan clutch. It's a heavy duty. So yeah, one that because this one is nice and tight, so I'm gonna try to get a high performance one, so I can make sure it's gonna be better. So that way we'll ditch the double electric fan, but we have space right here. You see, between the AC condenser and the radiator, we have this much space in there. I'm sure I can fit extra electric fan in here. I'm sure I'm able to. So that way, now remember, the fans is two types: the one that pushes air and the one that sucks air in. So most likely I can install the one that pushes air through. So it's gonna be right in the middle of the AC condenser, or the AC radiator, if you want to call it, and the actual radiator. Yeah, so I can fit one there, skinny one. And this one I have some space right here, so I can even pull it forward. So I have this much space, which is what, maybe like, for sure, like 3 inches flat, and then I can fit something in there. Other than that, yeah, it's good in there. So I'm gonna, for now, I'll cancel that one. I still have to see what's going on, what's gonna happen. I can hit it with a boom, so I can see if I can make it work. So that's the update. Stay tuned for the updates.